everybody. So today we're going to make a spring roll. So that's how it looks now. So today we're going to make shumai. There you go guys, we're done. This is a chili sauce and then you flip it there. And then eat it. Really good. Try the recipe. So today we're going to make beef stew. So there you go guys, we are done cooking. Our meat is tender. I tasted that. So today we're going to make chicken adobo. So that's how it looks now. We're done. I put some olives in there because I have olives left over from my previous recipe. And thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Bye.